Hi folks, welcome back to Randy's Travels. So just want to give this Starlink Mini a bit of a try on the highway. So we're going to jump on the freeway and do about 100 k's an hour. We're going to test out the iPhone 6 Plus, the 5th generation iPad, as well as my MacBook Pro. So be testing the speeds over the Ookla test, over the actual Google test itself, and then we'll actually use the Starlink app itself to test these things and see what kind of internet speed we can get, upload and download. Ladies and gents, we're just driving down the highway doing about 109, 110. This is the iPhone 16. And look, we're cruising right around 56, 57. There's the 60s. We've got some 70s on there, 70 megabytes per second. And yep, so about 67.5 on that one. And as we're going the other way, upload, not even touching on 7 right now. So look, it's still working really, really well, even though it's not that high speed, but it's a lot better than not having anything when you're out on the road, you're out camping. That's another one, folks. So this is a 5th generation iPad Pro, and it's actually off the Starlink app that's within there. So this is going off the Starlink satellites. So look, we're picking up a lot better speed here with the iPad. We're at 181 megabytes per second for the download, and the upload is it's not doing too bad, 21. And folks, this is just off of the MacBook Pro, and just a normal Google Speed Test that's online. So even then, we're just pushing. Got 81 in there, back down to the 70s, or middle 60s, now down to the 50s. We're still cruising, doing about 100 k's an hour there. So there you go, and the upload just about beats the download at the end of the day. So there you go, 53.5 and 10.6.